need to go beyond just a digital version of the paper map. We need to use the power of digital computing. So make the map the actual application or interaction canvas. A neighborhood is not a static thing. People are tweeting that the band is playing around the corner, a subway is leaving, traffic is building up. So the maps need to become real-time dashboards.
Over the last years, we have been in the business of building maps, and this was mainly driven by the car industry, but more and more also by mobile devices and internet players. We all combine it in one rich, powerful, global mapping that is served through a platform. Content gets richer and richer, vector data, imagery, and a lot of other elements. Dealing with that is complex and not easy, and our customers should focus on what really differentiates and brings value to them, and let us do the things that we can do very well, is building a global mapping platform.
A good example is CityLens. When you look at CityLens, we have innovated on the app level to really understand what is a new paradigm for interacting through augmented reality. Once we really understand that paradigm, we can actually take it down to the platform. So whatever you actually have done in CityLens, where you can flip between list, map, and the virtual view, where you can actually click on an object to see more, you can apply it to any content layer. So we can make this part of the map platform, so everybody can actually use it.
So our platform is a cloud-based system which allows to develop location-based experience on any OS, native OSs, but also web-based OSs. So you can use us if you're a cloud player, an internet player, or if you're a vehicle manufacturer, or if you're a mobile device manufacturer. Our hybrid platform runs on any target platform, and that's a huge advantage for our customers.
We have the challenge of having to cross the chasm. And you cross the chasm by actually focusing on various verticals. So the need of the enterprise business is different than the need of the automotive or the mobile OEM business. They have a lot of commonalities. We need to actually increase our dedication to those verticals, understand their need, and package the platform so that it actually better addresses those vertical needs. So to actually listen and put it into the platform packaging. This is how you usually cross the chasm.
The depth of our mapping data is really without compare. We collect literally hundreds of different attributes about each road segment. Now what this allows us to do is to be able to provide advanced routing capabilities to our customers. If I can give you an example in the truck routing space, we're able to provide a customized route based on the length, the width, the height, the weight, and even the contents of a truck, depending on either US or EU regulations. And of course this is invaluable to our fleet management and logistics customers, particularly when you combine it with our capabilities to do multiple stop route optimization and of course our global scale. So we already power a significant portion of in-vehicle navigation systems through our map data. What we see though is automotive manufacturers becoming more and more reliant on our platform services. And this is not only because of the advanced functionality we're able to provide, but also because of the service level agreements that then support the long product life cycles in the automotive industry. So for example, we can provide information about electric vehicle charging stations, and when you combine this with our ASALine routing capability, basically we're able to tell drivers exactly which electric vehicle charging stations are within range of their current charge in the electric vehicle.
So one of the advantages we have as a platform is we've got lots of different applications using our technology, and this means that we can test lots of different approaches. So we're learning from the way that users interact with the system. We're learning from the way they click, the way that they move from search results into specific actions, and the way in which they interact with places. So bringing this all together enables us not just to give individuals much better, more contextual experiences, but also raises the level of the platform to be able to provide that to all users. So we focus on generating a living and evolving database of the most comprehensive set of places. So any place, any language, anywhere.
In the end of the day, I think the intent and the incredible opportunity we have is that we basically are competing on all the layers in the stack. We have the content, we have the platform, and we have the application. And this is really where the benefit comes from having brought, the former services group and the former Navteq team together. So we really can actually think about, new interaction paradigms against the map in our applications. What does it mean for the platform and what type of content we need to capture? So I really believe the pure play logic is based on we build business models to make work what we do. We are actually competing in all layers and giving even to competitors on higher levels what we have on the lower level. And that is actually unique. Nobody else is doing that.